Making your own dowels has been around for a while on YouTube.
Alright, so super simple to rip down some square stock on the table saw out of scrap. Next thing I'll just make a test piece here where this knot hole is. Cut off, then trusty pocket knife. Just trim the edges off here so that it will fit in the drill.
Izzy Swan made a video back in 2016 that's hit 1.8 million views, and Tamar from 3x3 followed up in 2019 with another that's over 1 million. Both are excellent videos and I've linked them below. For my take, I'm using a $30 NZD jig from Temu, also linked below, that cuts dowels up to 3/4 of an inch, about 20mm. I'm using scrap pallet wood, and as you'll see, it's super simple. Rip some square strips on the table saw, chuck them in a drill, and spin them through the jig.
And there you have it. Nice piece of dowel out of scrap. Too easy.
Which has a knife set in it. That's it, done. And the results are great. You could probably sand them a little bit to make them better. But yeah, straight out of the jig, they're fantastic. The jig itself is solid. It uses standard size carbide blade with 4 cutting edges and is easy to replace once dull. It's a clever design, I think. In New Zealand, 10mm dowel, just over 3/8 of an inch, sells for about $3 a metre. Larger stuff, like 20mm, runs closer to $9 a metre. So I made my money back on the first project I used this for, and I'm very happy with the investment. What do you think? Do you just dislike Temu too much to try, or is this something you would think about using? Cheers guys, thanks for watching.